Hey guys, this is a fun, great technique for beginners in epoxy surfaces. We're going to use spray paint and a plastic grocery bag to create realistic looking stone. Let's get started. We're simply using random earth tones and spray paint over a lightly painted surface, and this is creating an underpainting that looks like actual stone. You can do this over existing surfaces and watch many of our tutorial videos from start to finish. Here we're using our clear stone coat countertop epoxy. We'll trowel it out with our 1/8 square notch trowel. We'll chop the surface and then we'll simply torch the air out. To give this project depth, we'll fog and mist a tiny bit of spray paint over the clear epoxy. We'll move it around to give it some organic movement, and voila, you have natural stone in a minute.
Our epoxy rocks! Stone Coat Countertops!
Hey, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.